Happy morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good at home. Okay, children. Today's value is cleanliness is next to godliness. Once again, cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay, children. Today's concept we are going to learn a new rhyme. Today we are going to learn new rhyme. Two new rhymes. Okay, children. Shall we start the rhymes? See here. What rhyme it is? Clean hands. Clean hands. And one more rhyme. Rain everywhere. Rain everywhere. Once again. Clean hands and rain everywhere. See the rainbows and see the hands. Okay, children. Shall we start the first rhyme? Okay, children. See the first rhyme. Clean hands. Children, listen here. We have to clean our hands often. Okay. Now say when we have to clean our hands. Before and after we eat, after we return to home and after we play. Once again, before and after we eat, after we return to home and after we play. Okay, children, shall we start the rhymes? Everyone listen to me. Okay, children, shall we start the rhymes? Clean hands. Say everyone, clean hands. Okay, listen. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash those germs away. Soap and water touch the drink to keep them safe all day. Once again, wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash those germs away. Soap and water touch the drink to keep them clean all day. Children, do you all like it? Okay. Last one day, everyone sing along with me. Okay, children, shall we start? Come on. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash those germs away. Soap and water touch the drink to keep them safe all day. Okay, children, I hope you all enjoyed the clean hands rhyme. Clean hands rhymes. Now, shall we see the another rhymes? See here, what rhyme it is? Rain everywhere. Rain everywhere. See the pictures. Colorful rainbows, van, ball, and one girl is hanging the umbrella. And see here another rainbows. And see here trees. And one more van or else it is car. Okay, children, shall we start the rhyme? Rain on the cows, rain on the trees, rain on the house, rain on me. Rain on the van, rain on the street, rain on the can, rain on my feet. Rain on the wall, rain on the car, rain on the ball, rain everywhere. Children, shall we sing it one other time? Okay, come on. Rain on the cows, rain on the trees, rain on the house, rain on me. Rain on the van, rain on the street, rain on the can, rain on my feet. Rain on the wall, rain on the car, rain on the ball, rain everywhere. Okay, children, I hope you all enjoyed the two new rhymes. Shall we sing last one time the two new rhymes? Okay, come on. Clean hands. Keep like this. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash those germs away. Soap and water does the trick to keep them clean all day. Children, shall we sing the next rhyme? Okay. Rain everywhere. Rain on the cows. Rain on the trees. Rain on the house. Rain on me. Rain on the van. Rain on the street. Rain on the can. Rain on my feet. Rain on the wall. Rain on the car. Rain on the ball. Rain everywhere. Okay, children, for your home assignment, practice this two rhymes. Rain everywhere and clean hands. Okay, practice it. Take a video and send it through WhatsApp group. We will meet at the next class. Thank you, children.